Hey, what's up guys? It's Phil. Welcome back to 3D Japan. First, let me mention this video is sponsored by PCBWay. And so in the past several videos, I've been telling you about PCBWay and how they can do your 3D printing for you if you don't have a printer, or if you want to do a multicolor print and you don't have a multicolor printer, they can do that for you. Well, they sent a model for me to check out. Actually, they allowed me to upload a model of my choice, and now I told them what colors they should be and where the colors should go, and they had it printed. They sent me a picture to confirm it was okay, and they sent me the model. So here it is. So I just looked around, I found a multicolor model that I thought would be a good print. And yeah, there he is. Now, you may notice there is a problem, and that is there's not enough colors. So they can do 4-color prints, and so you can see here I've got blue, white, red, and black. But his belly should be tan, and his back of his shell should be brown. So I said, that's not a big deal. If you just make that white, then I can just paint the rest. And so I figured it would be a good, big, wide surface. It would be good for airbrushing. So let's roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look at how this print came out. Okay, so here's a closer look at him. Hopefully that's in focus there. Yeah, I think he came out really good. He's really cute. And yeah, everything looks really clean. Now, they had sent me a photo beforehand to confirm that it was all okay. And they said some of the blue got into the white and it kind of bled in. But honestly, I can't see any blue in the white anywhere. So that seems good to me. The only thing I did notice is the bottom of his foot for some reason is white. But nobody's going to see that. So what I'm going to do next is the edge of his shell along here is supposed to be white. This will be brown, this will be tan. So what I'm going to start doing is masking off everything except for these areas, and then we'll give him a spray paint. Got the airbrush ready, and it should be fun. Okay, here we go. I got this all masked off. I just used some painter's tape around there and cut cleanly around the edge, and then covered the rest with a little plastic bag. So, well, it saves a little money rather than using painter's tape on the whole thing. So let's put him down. So, and I've got this. I'm going to do some priming on it. So I've got this Army Painter primer that is actually skeleton bone color, but it's meant for miniatures, but this is all I had, so this is what we use. Okay. Now that I'm done with the primer, I can start painting. And I've used a little bit of this Vallejo flat brown and mixed it with some isopropyl alcohol. I'll put that in the airbrush and start spraying. Okay, here's my finished print. My paint job is pretty good. I could have done a little bit better with masking, but overall I think it came out pretty good. It was a lot of fun. And so if you're ordering one of these multicolor prints, of course I just did some large areas, but you could do this and then print and then paint like really fine details. I suppose I wanted to do his fingernails or something, and that wouldn't be possible with a printer. But yeah, you could do that, or paint a design on his shell or something. But yeah, I think he came out really good. So thanks to PCBWay for sending him, and thanks to you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.